Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm super excited because it's one of my favorite looks that I've seen all over, and it's the Cleopatra look. I am super excited to be doing that look today. Oh my goodness, I hope I can pull it off. I hope I can pull it off. I'm not going to say I'm perfect at this, but I have one in mind. So I'm just going to see what I can do and see how well I can pull this Cleopatra look off. So I'm going to be priming my face, and I'm using the e.l.f. primer. I'm going to be using two primer today actually. I'm going to be using the NYX HD primer, and this is the matte one. So next on my foundation, I'll be using the Fenty 420 and the Estee Lauder, and it's in the color Amber Honey. So now I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm going to be highlighting the area that I need to be popped a bit. Setting the area which I apply the concealer. I'm going to be contouring a bit, and I'm still using the Black Radiance to contour. So to let the color pop a bit, I'm going to be using the Revolution concealer, and it's in the color C2, and I'm using that because I need the color that I will be using to pop a bit more. So I'm just going to be applying a small amount. Okay, moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going to be starting with this color here. Just going to be drawing a line starting from here. And I'm just going to be taking it all the way here. So now I'm going to be start blending it out a bit. And I'm going in with a deeper shade, and I'm going to be blending it in. Okay, so next I'm going to be going ahead and do a cut crease. Okay, that's it for the cut crease. Now I'm going to be going ahead with my Juvia's palette, Saharan palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here, this gold color. The side here. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be doing a wing liner. And I really don't want it to go any longer, so I'm just going to leave it there, and I'm just going to try and get it darken a bit, which I'm going to be using some eyeshadow over it in a while. Okay, so I'm back. I went and I did my eyelash off camera, and what I did was I finished because my battery died, so I have to like put it to charge, and so I finished with my wing liner, as you can see, and I did my lashes off camera. Just going to take a basic eyeliner, and I'm going to be lining my eyes. Actually don't like putting eyeliner on my waterline because my eyes get so red and watery, and my eyes are already red. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in and smoke that out so it doesn't look that harsh. To be going in with my Juvia's Masquerade palette, and I'm just going to be using this blue color right here, and it's called Dahlia. So I'm just going to use that right below where the black eyeliner is, and I'm just going to smudge that out a bit. So I'm just putting it right below and I'm blending it. This is like a shimmery blue. I'm going to be doing my bottom lash with my mascara, and I'm going in with the Maybelline Sensational. I'm really not liking using this for the bottom portion of my eyes because it's so clumpy and I don't want it to mess my under eye up. So I'm just going to use my old mascara. It has a finer bristle. Lashes are all done. Now I'm going to be going in And I'm going to be adding my blusher. And now for the lips. Oh, the final part, the lips. I don't actually have a gold lipstick. I was actually looking for a gold lip. That's what I visioned when I thought of this look, but I don't have one. I was thinking about using this color that I have on my eyes, this golden color for my lips, but nah, I think that won't fit me that much. So I'm going to go for bronze. Yes, bronze. I want that gold lipstick so much, but I'm going to be going in for bronze lips, and I'm going to be using my eyeshadow. And so for the lips, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow here, this glitter one, and it's in the Masquerade palette, and I'm going to be using it for my lips. It's so beautiful, and it's called Casablanca. So I'm going to be applying Casablanca to my lip, but first let me line my lips with my MAC lip liner in Chestnut. So I'm adding a bit of oil to my lips so it's not that dry when I'm going to be applying that eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be going ahead and apply that eyeshadow for my lips. Oh my goodness. Now this lip is a shock to me. Oh, I'm really coming out my comfort zone today. I'm not quite satisfied with this. So what I'm going to be doing is, let me first put a bit more lining to my lip. Because if I leave it like this, the outer part of my lip, it lets me look a bit hungry. I think I'm going to be going in with the same gold eyeshadow that I'm wearing right now, and I'm going to be putting it in on the center part of my lips. I'm just going to blend that out a bit. Hey guys, so this is the final look for the Cleopatra look. Oh my goodness, I'm absolutely loving this look. You know, the lips, I'm telling you, the lips, it is totally, the lip is totally different to me. This is quite different. I'm not used to this type of makeup, this all big old bold look. Oh, the eyes, I think I did a pretty good job pulling off this Cleopatra look. Oh my goodness, it's quite out my comfort zone, even though I did my first Cleopatra look back then in 2016 before I even started YouTube, and it wasn't like this. It wasn't like this, but this is quite bold. I believe I'm pulling something off. I'm believing I'm doing something today. So, oh my goodness. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you all for watching. I'm hoping that you're having a lovely day and a lovely night wherever you are. And remember to love on each other. Be a blessing to others. Be a blessing to others. It's such a blessing to give than to receive. Of course, it's good to receive, but it's such more blessing to give than to receive. Go out your way and help someone. Be a blessing to them. Spend that time praying for others. Spend that time loving on each other, not talking about people, but to walk in love. But you know what? Remember, to walk in love, stay in love, and stay connected to God. And you do have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye-bye.